Good morning from Athens. What to say? I landed yesterday very early in the morning, and my cousin came to pick me up. So we spent the whole morning chatting over coffee. And I didn't want it to vlog. And the thing is that yesterday, when pilot announced the 30 minutes to land to Athens, I started feeling very weird. Started feeling really bad yesterday, and my cousin was like, "Shall we go to the pharmacy?" I was like, "No, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna take a shower and everything is gonna be fine." I came to the hotel to check in. I took a very long shower, lay in bed, but I was feeling really bad, and I was like, okay, I guess I need to go to the pharmacy, even though I don't like taking medicines. And then I went out to grab something to eat so I could take the medicine, and I also had a beer, and I think that was the thing that knocked me out the most. I came back to the hotel after the beer and the pill, and I slept until 9, and I was supposed to catch up with my cousin again to go out to some live music. Yeah, and now I just woke up like a couple of hours ago actually, but I was still in bed. I'm very hungry. I want to go and grab bugazza and start my day. The plan was the National Gallery, but I just found out because I wanted to buy already the ticket. Today is closed, so I guess I need to find something else to do today. So yeah, let's go and grab out breakfast. But the view, huh? I just want to stop by the Cinema Square, and then I'm gonna go to an art supply shop. But I'm very excited to go and spend money in there. So yeah, my bugazza was amazing, and I had 2 coffees, and the guy was like, "Are you waiting for someone else?" And I was like, "No, coffees are both mine." He was like, "Oh, okay," because I was waiting for your friend to arrive, and I was like, yeah, I just got a single shot espresso, and then, hi, let me show you. Okay, I got distracted and I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, I think she knows her way. I think she's gonna find her way to where she's willing to go. It's closed. Even though it says it's open on Google, but it's closed. And it doesn't say anything outside the door. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk here because this is the most alternative neighborhood of Athens. It's called Exarchia. The vibes are different, very different, and you can see a lot of young people here.
Καλό είναι αυτό. Άμα μπορείς και τα κάνω.
Back in my room, I'm quite full from lunch, but I can't wait to try my dessert. So I'm gonna open them now and have a bite. The thing is that I have plans with my cousin in a couple of hours, so I just want to charge my phone. Just rest in bed for like 1 hour, and actually I wanted to eat them outside, but it's very sunny. Let's try them out. What do we have here? So the kadaifi, sticky. Tulubaki. So good. Let's try the kadaifi. I don't usually use fork and knife, but right now I think it's really necessary. Ooh. Τα τελευταία χρόνια σε κανένα ασιατικό. Γεια σου. Just a very slow morning. I woke up late because yesterday I went out with my cousin and we had fun and too much food, so I needed a break this morning. Woke up very late. Not very late, I was awake in bed, but then I got up very late. I went out for breakfast, and now I'm just walking around. I have tickets for the National Gallery, but they open at 2. So I think I'm gonna stop by my hotel and refresh myself. And yeah, doodle and then go out again. I don't have huge plans for today because tomorrow my mom's gonna arrive early in the morning and I have to go and pick her up from the airport, and then I have to go to meet my family after 20 years. Yeah, so today I'm gonna spend it very casually. I don't want anything special because I know that from tomorrow I will be very overwhelmed with everything. I'm staying for a while. I mean, I have this view. I also bought a bugazza and this very refreshing ice cream. Mango juice or ice cream is my to-go flavor when I'm very thirsty. This one is mango passion fruit. It's 100% organic or natural. I'm here on the corner because I'm giving space to the view. That was really good. Happiness. I changed my outfit and we're going to the National Gallery now. It's quite sunny. We're wearing our Vans. And yeah, I'm ready to go out, even though I feel very tired, but I already paid for the ticket, so we're going. Yeah, see you in the gallery.
I don't ask for too much. Oh, but I need more than nothing. And though a little bit of your touch wouldn't be enough, it's only just more than nothing. I don't keep tabs, but I can tell a zero from a one. Just a little bit of romance wouldn't stand a chance. It's only just more than nothing. Nothing just ain't
με το θαμνοκοπτικό και τα κόβω δηλαδή.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two arms. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same